Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what the Drake does in Grey Garden. So you can obtain it by purchasing it in the fairy world. I don't remember how many not garden coins, fairy points. I think around 70,000 fairy points it took to purchase this. It is a mythical pet. So the trait is that it goes to a cooking kit and breathes fire on it, helping the cooking process and boosting cooking speed by 11%. So yeah, the Drake is the second pet to stay at the cooking pot and the first being the gorilla chef. So it does help the cooking speed if you are cooking foods for leveling up with to level up with the NPC, like leveling up your friendship with the NPC. But yeah, that's pretty much what the Drake does in Grey Garden. It's a new pet. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.